everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to clone a GitHub repository in VS Code in 2026. Cloning creates a local copy of a remote repository so you can open the project, make changes, and work with Git directly from your computer. So let's get started. First, make sure Git is installed on your computer and that you have access to the GitHub repository you want to clone. Copy the repository's clone address from GitHub. Next, open VS Code and open the command palette. Search for the command that lets you clone a Git repository. Paste the GitHub repository address when VS Code asks for it. Then choose a location on your computer where you want the repository to be stored. VS Code will download the repository files and create a local project folder. Depending on the repository size and your internet connection, this may take a little time. When the cloning process finishes, VS Code may ask whether you want to open the cloned repository. Choose the option to open it so you can start working with the project. Check the Explorer panel to make sure the repository files are available. You can also open the source control view to confirm that VS Code recognizes the folder as a Git repository. Before making changes, review the project documentation to understand how it should be installed and run. Some repositories require dependencies, environment settings, or additional tools before they will work correctly. If you have permission to contribute, you can edit files, create commits, and push your changes back to the remote repository. If you're working with someone else's project, follow the repository's contribution guidelines. If cloning fails, check the repository address, your internet connection, and your GitHub authentication. Private repositories may also require you to sign in with the appropriate account or credentials, and that's how to clone a GitHub repository in VS Code. Copy the repository address, clone it through VS Code, open the local folder, and you'll be ready to work with the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the